Hello mga ka-praise and worship. This is our guitar tutorial for the song Grace by Laura Story. Okay? So this is medyo mabagal talaga ang song na to. So most of the time I'll do plucking, sometimes strumming. You can also do the same as long as pasok sa timing. Okay? Because this is most of the chord transition. Actually all is two counts. 1, 2, 1, 2 and then change. And this is a bit faster and I'll make it the simplest possible chords that we can. Okay, so chords involved, D major 7, this one. Okay, parang A lang siya, baba mo lang yung A. D major 7, and then G, and then B minor, okay, and then A, and A sustained, ayan, adjust mo lang yung nasa baba. A sustained, E minor. Sometimes I do E minor like this. Okay, it's fine. If it's fine din pag ganyan lang siya. And E minor and then D over F sharp. Yan. D, lagyan lang siya ng ano sa taas. Ito, D over F sharp. And then D. Okay. So when it comes to the start of the song, it's the chord is D major 7 and G. Okay, if you want to strum it, it's down, down, up, up, down, down. But since it's just tig to 2 counts yung lipat, so what will happen is down, down, and then up, up, down, down when you change the chord. So it's D, like that. Okay, but I remind you again, the tempo is different. The actual song is really very, very slow. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, I'm plucking the intro. Ito siya, ganito siya ginagawa ko po sa intro. I can recommend this. Okay, so it's this one. And then this one, 5th fret. And then this. And then this one on top. Since G, nalagyan ko siya ng ganito. Okay, I'll do it again. Okay, just do it 2 times. And then, let's start the song. My heart D. Okay, I'm plucking it. When I pluck, I do this pattern. Okay. Nag-iiba lang yung bass niya. So, it's this one, D. Pag D, pag A, B, C, this one is the bass. Then D, and then E, F, G. Okay, so paano po ba ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin, if the chord is D, I do it like this. This is the bass. I pluck it first. Then, same lang yung pinakababa. And then A, since the chord is A, I use this bass. Okay? And then, same lang yung sa baba. And then, if B minor, I use this bass. Okay, that's my recommended plucking, but it's up to you guys. Whatever plucking do you like to use. Okay? Let's start. My heart D is so proud. And then G. My mind A, so unfocused. And then I see B minor, I see the things you do. G. As great E minor, great things I have done. D. And now you gently break G, me. And then A, and lovingly you take B minor. Then and hold me as E minor. But my father, D over F sharp, and mold G, me as my maker, A sustained, and then change to A. Let's do it again. My heart is so proud, G, and my mind is so unfocused. Then B minor, let's see the things you do, G through me, as great things I, E minor, and then the done. And now you D over F sharp, break me. And then A, and lovingly you take B minor. And hold me as E minor, my father. And mold me as G, and then my maker, A sustained, change to A. Then chorus, I ask you D, how many times will you pick me up, G? And then A, when I keep on letting you down, D. Each time B minor, each time will for sure G of your glory. How far E minor, your forgiveness abound. A sustained, then A. And you answered B, D over F sharp, my child, I love you, G. And then A sus, and as long as yours, then A seeking my face. And then I walk in the part, it's E minor, I walk, sorry, like that. I walk in the power of my daily sufficient. It's A and then grace. Pagdating po doon, pwede nang mag-intro po ulit, ano, nung I walk in the power of my daily sufficient grace. Yan. And then, next verse, and then, chorus again. Then, after the second chorus of my daily sufficient grace, D. Then, D over F sharp. Then, D, then, of my daily sufficient grace, and then, D over F sharp, then E minor, you are so, and then D, patient with me, G chord, then A sustain, yan, and then mapasok na po yung third verse, and then chorus again, and that's the whole song. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.